Hey guys, Mr. BXRP here, and welcome back. Today is October 21st of 2020. And before we get started, guys, the best way you can help support my channel is to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed by now, and also hit the bell if you want to be notified when new videos are loaded up. And if you haven't hit the like button yet because you're waiting to see if you're going to like the video, I'm just telling you, take my word for it, it's going to be amazing. So hit the like button and let's roll into it. XRP is moving this morning. We are just about, with any luck, going to break 25 cents. So we're up about 3%, which is great. It is in response to what's going on with Bitcoin. And I am going to refresh here because Bitcoin went over 12,000. It was just over 12,400 moments ago, up 4.7%. Wow, look at this action from the US going to Bitcoin on Fiat League. This is really, really cool. So, you know, I've been saying that, excuse me, it's a big deal that Bitcoin's been above 10,000 for so long, and then it was above 11,000 for quite a while. Now we just broke 12, and it looks like, look at all this money going into Bitcoin. It's unbelievable. So good news, listen, for those who aren't invested in Bitcoin, I don't have any. I'm not holding any Bitcoin whatsoever, but I want Bitcoin to do well because the altcoins tend to follow once Bitcoin makes its move, and it brings a lot of attraction of new people to the space. So that is a good thing. So I'm going to refresh here on Coin Paprika. And let's see here. All right, so market cap is up to 380 billion, and that's mostly because of Bitcoin going up. And here it shows Bitcoin's at 12,416, Ethereum's at 382, Tether holding comfortably at $1. And XRP is just under 25 cents. Let's see if anybody else is having any big moves here. It doesn't. Looks like Litecoin's up to 51.12 for that last few people that might be holding Litecoin out there. I just don't know anyone that holds it. All right, so this was just posted from CZ Binance, and you might have seen this in my thumbnail for my video. He said PayPal is in crypto now. Who's left behind in the fiat world? So Reuters just posted this story. We heard a little bit about this several weeks ago, but Reuters just posted a story. PayPal to allow cryptocurrency buying, selling, and shopping on its network. Guys, this is massive. I mean, absolutely massive, massive, massive. I know we hear news every day, but this is a big thing. So let's look at this story a little bit. PayPal Holding Inc. joined the cryptocurrency market on Wednesday, allowing customers to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin and other virtual coins using USD digital payment company online wallets. PayPal customers will also be able to use cryptocurrencies to shop at 26 million merchants on its network starting early 2021, the company said in a statement. PayPal hopes the service will encourage global use of virtual coins and prepare its network for new digital currencies that may be developed by central banks and corporations, President and Chief Executive Dan Schulman said in an interview. Big time, huh? And he said, quote, "We are working with central banks and thinking of all forms of digital currency and how PayPal can play a role," he said. This is going to be amazing. I mean, your PayPal now is going to be a whole new wallet. So FYI, this is from me, guys. This is not part of the story here, but lock down the security on your PayPal account. I mean, not that it shouldn't be locked down already, but make sure it's locked down. All right, so it goes on to say U.S. account holders will be able to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies in their PayPal wallets over the coming weeks. It's coming now. The company said it plans to expand to Venmo and some countries in the first half of 2021. So that's interesting. So it's going to expand to Venmo, meaning that you'll be able to sync your PayPal and your Venmo account, which would be fantastic, right? I mean, Brad Garlinghouse even said recently in an interview that he thought it was crazy you couldn't do that. So I think that would be great. Moving on, it says other mainstream fintech companies such as mobile payments provider Square Inc. and stock trading app firm Robinhood Markets allow users to buy and sell cryptocurrency, but PayPal's launch is noteworthy given its vast reach. Now here it is, guys. Here it is. Here's the red letter day. The company based in San Jose, California has 346 million active accounts around the world, processing 222 billion in payments in the second quarter. Cryptocurrencies tend to be volatile, making them attractive to speculators, but a lot less appealing to merchants and shoppers. Transactions have been slower and more costly than other mainstream payment systems. Cryptocurrency payments on PayPal will be settled using fiat currency such as the US dollar, meaning merchants will not receive payments in virtual coins, the company said. Many central banks around the world have expressed their intention to develop digital versions of their currencies in coming years, while Facebook Inc. led the creation of cryptocurrency project called Libra in 2019. PayPal was a founding member but dropped out after a few months. And it goes on to say PayPal, which has secured the first conditional cryptocurrency license from the New York State Department of Financial Services, will initially allow purchases of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency called Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin, it said. It partners with Paxos Trust Company to offer the service. So I don't see any XRP in there yet, but you know it's coming, guys. You know it's coming. So fantastic news. I think it'll be the news of the day, the news of the week. I think that's a big deal that PayPal is coming to cryptocurrency, or cryptocurrency is coming to PayPal. So massive, massive stuff. Good stuff. Okay. This, and I think this ties right into that, this was posted by Danny Scott at Coin Corner Danny. 9.38% of Bitcoin hasn't moved in 10 years. That's pretty amazing. And he says that's how you hodl. So I thought that was pretty interesting stuff. This from James Rule XRP at Rule XRP. Follow him on Twitter. Puts out great information. Link to's Lunch and Learn tickets Wednesday, October 21st, 2020 at 12 p.m. This is 12 p.m. Pacific, so 3 o'clock Eastern time. LinkedIn is going to have a lunch and learn, and Miguel Valles and Brad Kimes from Investment Perspectives are going to be the hosts. If you want to go, I'm going to put it in the link of the description of this video, and also in the comments if you guys want to go. It's free, but they were showing it was sold out last night. They just opened it back up because they had so many people sign up to go. I'll put the link in if you guys want to go. And also, if you want to be invited automatically to all the stuff that this company does and be part of their community, just download their app and register. You don't have to be an accredited investor to register. You just have to be an accredited investor to buy products. So check that out today. I'm going to be in there, so maybe I'll see you in there. This was from Michael at VAL5Link. The United States faces an increasingly urgent decision whether to take serious steps toward issuing a CBDC, as the Bank of China and others have begun. The sooner it decides, the better. So it goes on. We've been here. We heard Jerome Powell earlier this week talking about CBDCs, talking about how MIT was doing some modeling, and they were trying to figure out what the challenges would be and all this other stuff. Look, we know they've already decided what they're going to do. We know it's probably already developed. It's just a matter of when they're going to release it. So, but more stories coming out on it, as you would expect. Let's see here. Oh, this was good from XRP Crypto Wolf at XRP Crypto Wolf. As Bitcoin prices rise, more investors are buying in. BTC holders are turning out in greater numbers. There are more holders with 0.1 BTC in their wallets than ever before. This is actually very, very interesting. So 0.1 BTC, right? So there are so many people that are just buying a little bit. And because there's so little Bitcoin, and I'm not a Bitcoin bull by any means, guys. I mean, I think it's going to do well. I think it's going to go up in value. I don't think it's ever going to have the ROI that some of these others are going to have, especially XRP, in my opinion only. But if there's 18 million Bitcoin out there right now, and ultimately there'll be 21 million, and it's been said that maybe 5 or 6 million have been lost. So if there's 18 million out there now, maybe there's only 12 million out there, and of the 12 million, we just learned that 10% haven't moved. It will go up in value if a lot of people just grab a little bit. So 10% of a Bitcoin right now is about, what's it at? It's about $1,300. Is that what it is? Yeah. So it's at $12,000 and change. So it's about $1,200 for a tenth of a Bitcoin. But if everyone, if a large majority of investors or just average people go out there and buy, 0.1 or 0.05 or whatever it is, it's going to drive up the value. So that's an interesting thing. All right. This was from Michael at VAL5Link as well. Schwartz, who is David Schwartz, otherwise known as Joel Katz on Twitter, acknowledges that the global network of central bank digital currency, CBDCs, is coming soon. With that, he believes XRP is a neutral, jurisdictionless asset, can benefit by acting as a bridge between CBDCs and all other tokenized assets. So David just reconfirming what we've been talking about all along. And you guys have heard it from me constantly. You hear from other people constantly. Doesn't matter who comes out with CBDCs. Nobody wants your CBDC. They want their own fiat. And David's just confirming the fact that that's the case. Okay, iTrustCapital posted this. They said, you asked, we delivered physical silver coming soon. So tax-free physical silver. If you want to grow, if you want to grow your physical silver investment tax-free, guys, iTrustCapital. Or if you want to trade tax-free, iTrustCapital. Good people. I have a link in the video with 1 free month if you are interested. And this was another one from Michael at VAL5 Link. The CFTC and BOE, which is Bank of America, have announced today they have signed an updated MOU regarding cooperation and exchange of information, the supervision and oversight of clearing organizations that operate on a cross-border basis in the United States. So let me open this up. The Commodities Future Trading Commission and Bank of England have announced that they have signed an updated MOU, means Memorandum of Understanding, which I didn't know either, guys. So I'm glad I opened it up to read it. Regarding cooperation and the exchange of information in the supervision and oversight of clearing organizations that operate on a cross-border basis in the United States and the United Kingdom. CFTC Chairman Heath Talbert and BOE Deputy Governor for Financial Stability John Cunliffe published joint op-ed for risk. Okay, so it goes on to say strengthens the relationship between regulators and blah blah blah. All right, so that's good news that the CFTC is connected with the Bank of England. Everyone's getting connected for the big cross-border, party that's coming in the future. So it's good to see. This also from Michael at VAL5. Like Central Bank of Bahamas has officially launched its national digital currency. The Sand Dollar was launched yesterday, guys. So this is the very first digital currency for a country in the world. And if you guys remember, we heard the IMF say that the only way they can hold a digital asset, a digital currency, is if a country is using it as their official means of payment. So if they're using it as their official currency, I'm not saying that the IMF is going to hold this. I'm just saying it opens the door for the IMF to hold them once a country is using them. And that was just a reminder to you guys if you've never seen that video where he talks about that. It was the attorney from the IMF, Ross, and I can't think of his last name. Okay, so this I thought was interesting. It was posted by Vala Ashfar. It says how to reduce stress. 1, do not respond to negativity. 2, give without expecting to get. 3, exercise daily. 4, read and write more. 5, get more sleep. 6, be honest. 7, forgive first. 8, eat healthier. 9, be a better friend. 10, do not overcommit. 11, complain less. 12, show gratitude. And 13, start sooner. Guys, I love this. This is fantastic. This is good stuff. I'm telling you, if you find that you're breaking any of these rules, stop it. Just stop it, and you will free yourself by changing any one of these things if you're not doing it. I promise you that. Also, I saw this video, and I will tell moms and dads out there that as I show this video, how cool would it be to learn how to do this and freak out your kids someday, right? I don't know if I could play the music. I'm going to try, but watch this. All right, I had to take off the music. Watch this move. So they're showing how to do this move. Watch, and then watch when they do it in motion. Watch this. This is amazing. Imagine you could figure out how to do that, right? You're a 30, 40, 50-year-old mom or dad, and your kids come home from school, and you're sitting in the kitchen and you're doing that. I think that would be hilarious if you want to play a joke on your kids. I would just love to do that. It would blow their mind. Okay, thanks for listening to my video. If you haven't hit the like by now, I think it's time. Come on, give me a like. That would be great. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you made it this far, you probably want to hear another one. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not an accountant. I'm not a political pollster. And I'm not a crypto expert. These are my opinions only. Don't make any financial decisions based on anything I say. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notifications button. And please share my videos with anybody who you think might appreciate them. And everyone have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.